Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's cold. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I'm that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you. I'm that bitch, man, I thought.
Hey y'all, y'all ain't seen me in a while, but I'm big y'all. Oh my head. Don't pull me. Today's video, I see about to tell y'all, I am going to be installing a wig. Y'all gonna watch me do it. I'm not a pro, but we get the job done, okay? I'm not gonna be doing too much talking when I'm installing my hair, so yeah. I don't know why I'm talking fast, but I am, so I ain't got COVID, I just choked on myself up. But as y'all can see, I got my little gel braids on, you know. Yeah, so we got the hat on, but yeah, we got the gel braids up under this hat, so we're gonna be just laying a wig over these braids because I don't know if y'all know, but I dyed my hair7, burgundy, whatever you want to call it, but yeah, we dyed it at her. This video is sponsored by Dyhair777. 3 7s, not 4 7s. I don't know where I got it from, but this is that website right here. This is a 20 inch. Yes, the 20 inch, y'all. Ooh, don't play with my friend. Got 20-inch hair. It come with a hair growth card and a way to contact them and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, all that. I do have a code I'm gonna give to y'all once I show y'all the wig and stuff, because I want y'all to see before y'all, you know, purchase or whatever. So the wig has no smell. It's 20 inches. It's very true to length. It comes with this, but it's not attached to it, which is kind of good because I don't want to show you getting it off. But it's a full lace wig. Don't play with me, hunty. This how the lace look. It's not really much to work with, but it's good enough because I always do a middle part. So yeah, it's good enough for me. So if you want a side part, may not be a good fit for you, but yeah, it's thin, y'all, and it's HD. Like the thing is HD, as y'all can see. Like, look at that. Don't play with me, period. And it's pre-plugged. Like, you ain't gotta do too much plugging. Just a little bit is necessary. So yeah, you just gotta bleach and not sound like kind of good stuff. So yeah, this is the wig I will be putting on, y'all. Look at this. Oh, it's still in the thing, but yeah. So these colors are pretty. Yeah. So that's the wig. Let me give y'all the coupon code. Look at my email, cause child. Use coupon code 777888 for $10 off. This is a Brazilian lace front wig. It is 180% density and it's a deep curly wig, so you know it's gonna be giving much what it's supposed to give, period. So yes, 20 inches like I said, and it's a 1B color and the cap size is medium. I got a big head, so I might need a large, but hey, we're gonna make it do what it do. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Like I said, I would not be talking in this video much. It's just gonna be me installing because I don't like to talk when I'm installing my hair because it's already hard doing it because I'm not a pro, but talking and doing it is just 10 times harder. So yeah, I hope y'all like it. So here's the wig right here. I went ahead and like plugged. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like, yeah, she's getting scalp. You can't tell, but yeah. So we're just about to get into installing this, and yeah. Oh yeah, before I start, y'all, I do not wear what you call it, lace wig caps because my hairline is low right here. So if I put that on my head, my wig gonna have to be like right here, and I don't like my wig that low. So yeah, we're just about to get into it. Y'all gonna watch the girl slay herself. So let's go.
Steady calling my phone. I told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No one's trying you to see me on. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
Calling my phone.
My back. Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break?
I'ma dab that dope. That dope.
Boy, can you break my back?
Dab that dope. That dope.
Boy, can you break my back? Can you break my back? Boy, can you break my back? Can you break my back? Boy, can you break my that don't.
That don't. Dab that dope.
That don't.
That don't.
That don't.
I'ma dab that dope.
That don't.
I'ma dab that dope.
That don't.
I'ma dab that dope.
That don't.
Steady calling my phone. I told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No one's trying you to see me on. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
Calling my phone.
My back. Boy, can you break my back? 2-3 surgeries to shake me if I want you, baby. I'ma dab that dope, that dope, dope, that dope, dab that dope, that dope, dope, that dope, dab that dope, that dope, dope, that dope, dab that dope, that dope, dope, that dope.
Can you play that again?
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Got cries, you gon' see me stone. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
My phone, calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
my phone, calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone.
My back. Boy, can you break?
I'ma dab that dope, that dope, dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab that dope, that dope, dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my Boy, can you break my
I won't
that dope?
that dope, dab that dope,
That dope.
that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope.
That dope.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Got cries, you gon' see me stone. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
My phone, calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you
break my back.
my back? Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break?
I'ma dab that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope.
my back?
Can you play that again?
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Got cries, you gon' see me stone. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
Calling my phone, calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone.
My back. Boy, can you break?
I'ma dab that dope, that dope, dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab that dope, that dope, dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my Boy, can you break my
I won't
that dope?
that dope, dab that dope,
That dope.
that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope.
That dope.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Got cries, you gon' see me stone. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
Calling my phone, calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone.
My back. Boy, can you break?
I'ma dab that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can
that
you break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope.
my back?
Can you play that again?
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Got cries, you gon' see me stone. I won't go back. Trust me, you gon' hold that.
Hey boy, can you break my back?
Calling my phone, calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone,
My back. Boy, can you break my back?
calling my phone.
My back. Boy, can you break?
I'ma dab that dope, that dope, dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab that dope, that dope, dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope,
my
dab
back?
that dope, that
Break
dope,
my
dope,
Boy, can you
that
break
dope.
my
I won't
that dope?
that dope, dab that dope,
That dope.
that dope.
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope,
That dope.
I'ma dab that dope.
That dope.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Got cries, you gon' see me stone. I won't
Okay, y'all, honestly, I don't even know why I left off it, but yeah, I'm done with my hair. I had the hair up and rush because we got somewhere to be at 3 o'clock. My niece in her crying, y'all hear the baby crying in the back. So yeah, I'm done. Period. I did like 2 braids on the side. You know, I can't really do edges, but we tried. So yeah, that's the finished look. I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all love this video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all for tuning in.